about Sierra Valley. It's called Gary Salvador and Noel Evasco. Let's give them a round of applause. Hi everyone. Good evening. Hi everyone. By the way, I'm Gary Salvador, International Property Specialist of Robinson's Land Corporation. So, may we call my partner for tonight, Noel Evasco, to join me the presentation.
Sorry,
Oh nga.
Hi, hello everyone. Good evening everyone. So I'm Noel Evasco, one of the International Property Specialists of RIC Residences. Ayan, tumakbo na naman ako from afar. Hinihingal na naman ako ngayon. How are you, Gary?
I'm okay. I'm actually super excited for tonight because, you know what, I see beautiful faces right now and some familiar faces. Maybe I met them from Taste of Manila and Mabuhay Philippines. Welcome for the property, exclusive property preview.
Welcome everyone. So let us welcome them as well to
the Sierra Valley Gardens for Smart Move in the East.
Ayan, go do the honor, Gary.
Okay, this is located along Ortigas Avenue Extension, Kainta, Rizal, a perfect escape from a hustle and bustle of Metro Manila. So, as you can see on my screen, is the location map of Sierra Valley Gardens. So, as you can see, this is the Sierra Valley Gardens. So, this is surrounded by major cities. So, we have the Pasig City, Makati, Ortigas, Mandaluyong, Quezon City, Antipolo, and Taytay.
In fact, Gary, our audience here can scan a QR code and view the exact location of Sierra Valley Gardens, no?
Yeah, you can scan the
QR code. 5 seconds. 5, 4. So you can time siya. Next time, please.
You know what? I have a question, guys. Do you agree with me that one of the major, important things to consider is the location?
Yes. Let me ask Tita. Tita, you're listening.
Okay, ulitin ko po, Tita. Ulitin ko kay Tita. Tita, nasa harapan pa naman kayo, Tita. No, it's okay lang. Okay, ulitin ko, Tita. Tita, do you agree with me that location is one of the important factors to consider in investing in property? Definitely, yes. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Robinson's Land Corporation's all the projects, this is located in prime location. And also, we have their establishment. As you can see, this is only 30 minutes drive going to a Bridgetown destination states. This is the soon-to-be the new Central Business District in Metro Manila. We have the high-end mall, high-end condominiums, and we have malls as well.
And office buildings, right?
Next slide, please. So, this is also close drive to Ortigas Central Business District. The same as the Bridgetown, this is also Central Business District. Everything is there. We have high-end buildings, condominiums, malls, and everything. Everything's there.
Because it's central.
So, what do you have there, Noel?
Perfect. So, Sierra Valley Gardens is also near, syempre mag-next tayo dyan, pero then, lifestyle malls like Robinson's Galleria. It's only 17 minutes drive going to and from Robinson's Galleria, where you literally can shop anything you want. No, so there's also cinema. There are also, of course, restaurants and of course groceries as well. Next is Robinson's Place Antipolo, diba? That's only 4.3 miles or 13 minutes drive going to Robinson's Place Antipolo. Yeah, this is pretty new mall with Robinson's. Next is, of course, Robinson's Kainta. This is only 1.4 miles and 6 minutes drive going to and from Sierra Valley Gardens. And, of course, inside the Sierra Valley Garden, there's also a mall. So, later discuss natin yan. Next.
Yes. So, of course, this Sierra Valley Garden, halimbawa, you are like a starter family or a growing family, meron tayo normally yung mga students. So, maganda dito sa Sierra Valley, meron tayong nearby school. So we have the San Valley University Rizal. This is only 10 minutes drive from Sierra Valley Garden.
Bakla, 20 minutes na talaga yun.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, okay, I'm so corrected. It's 20 minutes drive.
You're not best at reading back in high school, right?
Next. Session of this. Next slide, please.
storyline.
Nagalingan ko na talk lang.
Okay.
We have also another school, De La Salle College of St. Benil, Antipolo. This is 13 minutes drive.
Oh, perfect.
Diba? From Sierra Valley.
But it's very important that all of the things that we were putting here, we share them accurately because we want to be transparent to our homeowners. Next, very important, especially during the pandemic, we realized the importance of, yung location mo or yung property mo is near hospital. The nearest hospital with Sierra Valley Gardens is Metro Rizal Doctors Hospital, with only 1.8 miles or 7 minutes drive. Yeah. Next is the Medical City Ortigas, one of the best hospitals in the Philippines. That's only 15 minutes drive or 4.4 miles.
Okay, if you are not into sports, this is only 4 minutes walk from the Valley Golf or Country Club. So kung mahilig kayong maglaro ng golf, napakalapit lang. It's only 4 minutes walk. Magkakamali na naman ako, di ba?
Walk lang guys, you don't need to drive. You have to walk. Sometimes we need to walk, no? Diba? Exercise.
This is for exercise as well.
Correct.
Next slide, please. So, you know what? Most of my clients, they always ask me, how far is that from the airport? So, this is the answer. So, this Sierra Valley Garden, it takes like 49 minutes drive going to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Malayo ba yun?
It's not too far.
Not too far naman, ladies and gentlemen. Marami tayo mga exit point naman dito sa area.
Wala bang 5 minutes?
So actually, the traffic naman, nandiyan na talaga siya. Hindi na natin siya maiiwasan. But you know what? Kung bibili naman tayo ng ticket, I suggest madaling araw para sure na walang traffic.
And then, what's good thing about this one is that it will connect you to different places in the Philippines, like beaches, things like that.
Yes. Next slide, please. Okay, this is actually the good news. One more unique about this Sierra Valley Garden is the future MRT station. So this is connected to the mall, directly to the mall. So when it comes to accessibility, kahit na halimbawa uuwi kayo from the Philippines, wala kayong sasakyan, it's okay because marami tayong means of transportation. Gusto na nga po dito is the future MRT4.
Correct. I would like to add a very important information about that. You know what? If the property is near the MRT or subway station, it adds more value to your property if you're going to invest there. So imagine in the near future, how much will your property, increase, diba?
Next slide, please. So, moving forward is our site development plan or the building facade and stacking. Next slide, please. So, okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, pakitandaan po, the same thing, meron tayong quiz, okay? So, the total site development of Sierra Valley is 18 hectares. Uulitin ko, the total site development of Sierra Valley is 18 hectares, okay? The 4.9 hectares is allocated for residentials, which is the Sierra Valley Gardens. So, 13.1 hectares is allocated for commercial and offices and also the future malls.
It's really a big development talaga. As you can see, it's mixed. There's mall, alright, connected with the MRT, and 9 office buildings. So imagine, your unit can be rented by, of course, executives in the future, and the residential.
Yeah, you are correct. Well, next slide, please. So, for the Sierra Valley Garden, this is composed of 3 phases. We have the phase 1, we have the phase 2, and we have the phase 3. Next slide, please. So, we are happy to announce that the Sierra Valley phase 1 performance is sold 95%.
Yay!
Parang hindi naman masaya, guys. Diba?
Parang hindi masaya sa space dito.
Parang hindi talaga masaya. Parang hindi tayo nagko-connect sa kanila, ha?
But imagine, it's still a pre-construction stage, right? So imagine that.
As you can see, this is the actual construction for phase 1. Makikita niyo siya, nakatayo na siya.
Yes.
Nakatayo na ito.
And every phase has its own clubhouse. Ayan, yung clubhouse. Nasa baba. Bongga. Go. Next.
Next slide. So this is the building facade of Sierra Valley Garden, Building 5. Okay, moving forward is our building stacking. We have the view deck and hydroponic farm. This is located in the rooftop of Tower 5. We have 21st and 2nd floor. This will be located on the high zone. We have the 2nd to 20th floor. This is on the low zone. So we have the main drop-off and atrium located on the ground floor. We have the parking, basement, level 1 and 2. And of course, we have our own 3-story clubhouse to be discussed by my partner Noel.
Perfect. So this is the amenities that we have in the clubhouse. First is the main drop-off area. So this is how it looks like. Alright? So this is the building 5, very fast. This is the clubhouse. It's 3-level, okay? Again, remember guys, it's 3-level amenity clubhouse. Ayan siya. This is how it will look like. Next, we will have our residence lounge. Very important. Imagine you will, meet your guests here, ayan, relax, etc. Next, we also have a kids club. So especially for your children, where they can play and learn. If you're busy at work, you can literally, leave them here and to enjoy function room. Ayan. So, good thing is that you don't have to rent other places just to celebrate your birthdays, anniversaries, and even your marriages, right?
Yes, ako meron ikaw.
So you do that every month. Ayan, function room. Game room, so you can enjoy, playing billiards, playing games here. Ayan, diba? And it's very important that we have a relaxation time. So we have this wellness center where you can book like a salon and spa, or there's also a massage. Make time for yourself. And of course, a fitness center. Very important. So phase 1, they have their fitness center as well. We have a fitness center at phase 2. Yeah, with complete equipment. And you can do your yoga. Of course, we have a private theater at phase 2. So you can enjoy, you can block this and also watch movie with your friends. And it's very important though for intimate gatherings as well. Next, ayan. So we have adult pool and kiddie pool. Ayan, it's very wide. Imagine yourself, swimming here. Ayan, during your off. Your weekdays, or holidays, or any days. So next.
Okay, as what we will mention for the indoor, we have also an outdoor amenities. Next slide please. We have the water play area. Halimbawa, meron kayong mga bata sa place na to. They can enjoy the mini fountain. Pwede sila maglaro dito. Next slide please. We have also the bike trail. This is intended for those people na mahilig mag-bike for their safety as well. So of course, we are a pet-friendly community. So we have a pet park. Okay? So yung mga may alaga dito na mga small dogs, pwede sila dito. Welcome sila dito. Okay?
Of course, we have
the outdoor play area, which is same thing, yung mga bata pwede maglaro dito. So, you know what, on Robinson's Land, we are committed to building a sustainability communities. So, picturing, next slide please. So, we have the solar power common areas.
Next.
We have the hydroponic farm.
Next.
And we have the e-vehicle charging station.
So, these sustainable features only suggest na, RSC shows our commitment when it comes to sustainability. So we are sincere when it comes to our promise in making life better for our homeowners. To save energy, water, and of course, etc. So last time next, let's talk about floor plans. Unit layout. So this is the typical floor plan from 2nd to 20th floor. As you can see, we only have 11 studio units. And 12 studio units and 12 one-bedroom units. So, this is quite different from the one you saw a while ago because the layout itself, as you can see, there are open, atrium here. Like there's a west wing, and then the east wing, and then the main atrium. one good thing about this layout is that you have a proper ventilation. So you have like light, natural light coming here and also from here, of course, as well as yeah. And then the other good thing about this is there's a drying deck wherein you can dry your clothes, diba? Oh, and
Have you mentioned that this is a low density?
this is a low density
Yeah,
compared to
it's
other, let's not mention, let's not go that way. Next, of course, is the 21st to 22nd floor. We have 11 studio, and then 11 one-bedroom, and then 1 two-bedroom. But sold out na yung two-bedroom. That's all. Next, ayan. So this is our typical unit layout for studio. So these are the unit upgrades. So we have added pull-up clothesline on your toilet and bath, right above your washer dryer. Next is pull-up waste bins at your kitchen, and then kitchen cabinet with frosted glass cabinet door. And all other existing features that we have in phase 1. Ayan. This is 258 square foot. Ayan. This is how your sleeping area will look like, with wide window, your dining area, work from home setup, your kitchen here, toilet and bath, ganda. And then your kitchen again. Ulit-ulit. Next.
For one bedroom unit, we have 41 square meter or 441.32 square feet. So maliit ba yun or okay lang?
Parang maliit yun kay tita.
Parang wala namang sumasagot. Tatanungan kay tita na kaano.
Tita, how do you feel right now? Charot, joke lang. Go.
Tita, okay ba sa'yo tita yung one bedroom natin, tita?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm answering on behalf.
So this is the upgraded unit for living and kitchen dining area. So for the dining and living areas, for your appreciation. Okay, next slide please. Next slide.
Alright. So let's talk about the affordability analysis. Gano'n ba affordable sa Sierra Valley Gardens? Okay. For studio, 24 square meters is 258 square feet. Net total contract price is at 4.8 million only, or 140,000 Canadian dollar. Bargain barga. Alright, to reserve the unit, you only need 40,000 pesos or 952 Canadian dollar. And our monthly promo for this one is 13,900 pesos or 333 Canadian dollar per month. O, diba?
Mababa lang pala yung studio unit natin, no?
Sobra. Pili ko mag-uunahan sila dito.
I think so. Actually, meron na dun for closing yung mga Sierra Valley. I think, okay.
Guys, please give me chance, no?
Yes. Yeah, moving forward is our one bedroom unit.
Wait, wait. Oh my God, take you na daw.
Yeah, pasensya na
One
ba?
bedroom. Very fast na, pati na lang.
No, it's one bedroom unit. This is a 36 square meter or 387.50 square foot. And this is ranging from 6.98 million or 166.190 Canadian dollars only. Di ba? Kaya nila, di ba? Kaya nila for
And that's
one
only
bedroom.
20,000 pesos.
Yes, the same thing for reservation for one bedroom. That's only 40,000. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, hindi natin kailangan ng cash. We can use credit card. Okay?
True.
For the reservation.
Alright, the turnover of this property
Yes.
is...
And then the monthly payment for one bedroom, that's only 20,500 monthly.
Hindi nakikinig si Gary, sinabi ko na yun.
So sorry. Diba?
Next, please. Ayan. Target turnover is
2030 in 5 years.
So we're happy to announce that we just launched this project last month. Ayan.
So nag-enjoy pa kayo for Sierra Valley Gardens? Yes. Nakinig ba kayo?
Actually, Gary, there's one great news also about our property preview tonight. All of the home buyers tonight will have a chance to win a 3 days, 2 nights staycation at Queenie Hotel in Cebu. Ayan. So, I'm excited for our homeowners here. You will have a chance to win that.
Hindi lang yun. Kapag kumuha kayo ng property just today, you can get another 1.5 additional discount, di ba?
So
what are they waiting for?
Tara, balita tayo.
Sir na.
Alright? Thank you. you so much. That's the end of our presentation.
How about the question?
Yeah.
Quiz.
We have a quiz. Siyempre.
O, yung prize natin.
Okay, so quiz time again. So yung mga nanalo na tables, those who already won a while ago, those tables are already exempted. Diba?
Yes,
Exempted
to give a
sila
chance
for
to other
this
tables,
one. Give a
right,
chance
right.
to other tables naman.
Okay, the same thing, we're giving away gift cards.
Ready,
Cards from No Trios. Zoe?
Alright, question number 1. Hey!
O sige, sa una magtataas, honest naman ako. Dito sa side na ito, kung sino yung una magtaas, or the first one who will raise their hands, will be the one to answer the question.
Perfect.
Okay.
Listen carefully. How many levels?
Wait.
Loko yun, loko yun.
Ibig sabihin, nakinig talaga sila.
Yes.
So the first one will, if I say go, then that's the time.
Oh, perfect. How many levels is the clubhouse at Shadow Valley Gardens Phase 2?
Did I say go? Did I say go? Alright, what's the answer? 3 levels. 3 levels, yes?
That is correct.
Correct. Alright.
Okay, for our second question.
Okay, sige, dito naman sa side na to. When I say go,
Are you
let's start
ready,
raising your
guys?
hands. Okay, dito. Yung dito sa akin, dito.
Okay, my second question. How many hectares is the total site development of Shadow Valley? I'm asking the Shadow Valley,
When I
okay?
say
The
go,
total
Put your hands
site
down
development.
Put your hands down first.
When I count 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Ay,
Grabe
let's
na.
go. That's the instruction.
Nakakatuwa naman, nakinig talaga sila sa atin, no?
Is it 18 hectares?
18 hectares.
Yes, that is correct.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Gary and Will.
Thank you, Gary. And
Very
Noel.
informative. 2013. Alright?
Thank you, everyone. All right. Okay. So next one we'll have Sync presentation for Sync. Let's roll the video. There we go. That's Sync. And now let's call on Mark Delgado and Jessica Omega to tell us more about Sync.
Hello, magandang umaga!
Hello, hello! Paanong gabi sa tanan ng mga taga-Bacolod? Sino may laonggan nila?
Hello,
Ayun,
guys.
ang dami. Oh. Hello po.
First,
Magandang gabi.
tanongin mo na, okay pa po ba tayong lahat? Salamat sa 5 taong sumagot. Hindi ako papayag. I thought I was in Toronto. Ulit, okay pa po ba tayong lahat?
Ayun naman pala.
Parang rinig ko may nagiinuman na yata dito.
Kasi guys, wait lang. May mga prizes pa tayo that's awaits for you. Okay? And eto na yung exciting part. Are you excited na ba sa Sync?
Yes, that's our next project. So, the next project project we'll be presenting is one of the fastest selling projects of RSC Residences. It's called Sync. Sino dito among you guys are looking at this project? Any hands?
Ayun ang dami. Ayun.
Wow!
Kaway-kaway sa mga Sync.
So dito kami makikipag-usap. Yeah, just kidding. Anyone here na taga-Pasig po sa Pilipinas? Taga-Pasig. Hello everybody! Okay, so let's begin with the location of SIC. So SIC is located along C5 in Barangay Bagong Ilog in Pasig City. Anyone here na familiar po sa lugar? Yun! Mga taga-taga nararamdaman ko may ano ba na? Parang may closing ng SIC to.
Yeah, I feel that vibe, no?
Alright, next slide please. Next. 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 Alright, so for those who are not so familiar with the location of SIC, this is actually a project that's located in many business districts. Malapit po siya sa mga business districts sa Metro Manila. First is BGC, which is only around 6 minutes away. Next. Makati is of course one of the first business districts, only around 17 minutes away. And Ortigas, malapit lang din po yung mga around 15 minutes away.
And of course, aside from that, the good thing with living in SIC, malapit tayo sa mga malls like Robinson's Galleria, our very own mall. And we are also near Uptown Mall. And the Estancia is a high-end mall as well. It's very near. And in case of emergency, ito yung maganda with SIC. So, sobrang lapit natin with the Weldon Hospital, which is the St. Luke Medical Hospital. And also the Medical City. And sa school part, saan yung mga malalapit na schools?
Alright, we just want to highlight kasi some of you may be looking for an investment for retirement. Tama po ba? Meron po ba dito for retirement? So, yung pagiging malapit po niya sa hospital is one of the selling points. And you don't have just one hospital malapit sa inyo. You have two. The Medical City and the St. Luke's Medical Center in BGC. Those are two major hospitals in the whole Philippines. Okay? So now, we go to the schools. British School Manila. Next. We have Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. This is elementary and high school. Okay? Next. University of Asia in the Pacific, one of the best universities po in Ortigas. Malapit lang siya sa SIC. And Ateneo School of Medicine and Public Health. Actually, this is just katabi lang siya ng Medical City. Okay, so yung mga nagpa-practicum and taking their residencies, dito na rin siya sa Medical City kung mag-aaral po ng medicine sa Ateneo. Alright?
Ayun, so we call it Live Amazing, Live in SIC. So once again here, i-compose of 4 tower ha. Guys, tandaan nyo, 4 towers ang SIC natin. So we have the S, Y, N, and C. Next slide. Okay, for the N tower, we have the lobby area in the ground floor. Ang maganda dito with SIC because you already have the retail shops. So everything you need is just one elevator away. Sa baba niya may retail shops. Then we're gonna have yung parking that's from 2nd to 4th floor. And then yung amenity level natin, it's located in 5th and 6th floor. So dalawang floor ng amenity. And additional amenity on the 27th floor, which is the amenity floor, and we call it the Sky Bridge that connects the all 4 towers. Okay? Sky Bridge. Next to our tower.
Say it again.
Okay.
Sky.
Maalala niyo yan. For the building. Okay, the building with SIC, it comes with a smart home. So it's smart ready na siya. Let's say your lights mo, you can control, you can see your phone, the air conditioning as well. Next. And ito pa yung isang bagay ng feature with SIC because we are a fiber optic ready. What is a fiber optic ready? That is the fast internet connection. Yung iba mas hindi pa ng fiber optic ready. So yung internet nila, they're not allowed to install the fiber optic. And like with this one, it's naka-ready na yung installation. So you really need to expect na mabilis yung internet natin dito. And then Mark?
Yes. Now, let's talk about the amenities. Sino po dito yung bumibili ng condos because of its amenities? Anyone? Wala masyado? Alright, but you're in here for a treat kasi ang dami pong amenities na unique po sa Sing, okay? Let's talk about the retail strip po na nasa baba. So, some of you will be like, paano naman ako kakain, right? Kung for example, kailangan ko pa bang lumabas or lumayo? Sa Sing, we already have restaurants and cafes po. Sa baba lang po ng inyong condominium. How convenient is that, right? Especially for Metro Manila. Some of you may not be driving in Metro Manila, pero dito po bababa lang kayo, you don't have to take an Uber or Grab para pagdating po lang. You know, you want to grab something, hindi ka makapagluto, doon na kayo. You can eat in the restaurants, okay? Next. This is the Towers Energy drop-off area. Okay, so pinapakita lang po namin how beautiful it is. Hindi lang sa yung usual na, drop-off area for those condominiums. We want you to feel na parang it's like a hotel-like living. But the only difference is that you will own the unit, no? Unlike hotel, you're just renting.
Imagine mo, it's super ganda, you may love it. It's like you're in a hotel every day from your home.
We wanna let you see how beautiful our elevator lobby is. Yung mga usual elevator lobbies for the developers, wala lang, elevator lobby lang. But then you want to make it more beautiful for you. So, ini-important po talaga namin. So, you want to feel na you're living in an elegant and luxurious na environment. Last thing, guys.
For the last few areas, as you can see, it's 40% of the area is open space that allocated for the
Alright, so last thing, areas. Actually, this is one of the post-pandemic ideas na ginawa ko namin when we are creating conceptualizing for condominiums. Kung papansin ko lang we want a space na malaki per se, and at the same time, gusto natin ang laway. Because during the pandemic times, ang daming naging plantitas, right? So it is one of those things na in-incorporate namin sa mga condos natin. We also have a pet park. Any pet lovers here? Yay! Good news for you, Sing is actually pet friendly. Alright, next. Outdoor play area. Not your usual seesaw, not your usual swing. Almost an art installation, okay, for your kids. This outdoor play area. Beautiful.
Okay, also we let's see how a special occasion is your birthday, as I mentioned earlier. So it's we also have a very elegant room and fashion room that you will just need to reserve to be your bed. Okay, next we also have the gym. So it's fully equipped. So kompleto na lahat ng mga natin dito, gym equipment.
Yo guys, did you know that meron na akong 3 condo? What are you waiting for?
Ang dito with the Sing, kasi we do have types of swimming here. The pool area. So we have the indoor and the outdoor pool area. So this is how it looks like for those who are very conservative, that they don't want to be tan. So we have here, meron tayong either leisure pool area on this side, and also the outdoor pool area sa baba.
Anyone na mahilig sa massage? Like me? Alright. In the Philippines, dito mahal ang massage. Magkano po ang massage dito sa Canada? Anyone? 100? Imagine, take your money to the Philippines po, tita. You can even, book your own room sa Sing lang, have your therapist call. Call your therapist and just have your massage like kahit araw-araw pa. At mura lang ang massage sa Philippines, right? So that's one of those value for money features po. When you go back to Manila and invest there. And hindi lang yun, yung mga mahilig sa massage, may sarili kayong therapy room. Alright? You have your spa lounge area. So, this is one of the things na paborito ko personally sa mga condos. Yung kapag may mga lounge, yung tambayan, it means that you're not just limited to your unit, right? Pwede kang tumambay sa labas ng unit mo, hindi ka lang confined sa unit mo, pwede kang tumambay dito. This is overlooking the whole backstreet, right? And even some parts of Quezon City. Tama ba? Skydeck.
Yeah, okay. So, and you mentioned earlier, we do have this Skydeck. There is a bridge that connects to all the towers. It's located in 27th floor. So, it's very Instagrammable, diba? As you can see, you can unwind and relax, transferring to the other unit with your friends. Diba? You can have your friends with the S, Y, and N. So, here you can connect.
Again, the Skybridge connects the 4 towers of Sing, okay? Can you say it again? Sky Bridge pala. Sky Bridge pala is a 4 towers. So can you say Sky?
Okay, so here in Sync, we offer a studio unit. So this is how it looks like for the Bachelor Pattern studio unit. So you already have a work from home setup. And then it comes also with cabinets and glass and clock doors. And also they put out pantry drawers to organize your cabinets. That is the good thing. And it comes with range cookware. Okay, for 1 bedroom unit, Mark?
For 1 bedroom unit, you have balcony with glass sliding door. You have provisional space for split type na po, ah. Alright, so...
Stefan,
Kizel,
Kizzy, Stefan,
Gary,
Mark Delgado, Jessica Omega. Okay.
Later na. So we'll do the
Entertainment.
that's right. Are you guys ready for some music? Woo! Here we go.
Yes, ang tawag ng tunghalan, ladies and gentlemen, the very popular Reggie Tortugoy, Ice Aquino. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Please welcome Reggie Tortugo. Every single day, you always act this way. But how many times I told you I love you, but this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you yung song. The days would all be empty. I could see so long, but you would see forever. So I'm running there are the trees are young and we the time is when we fall in love. Holding down, touching down. I don't wanna be without you. Nothing's gonna change my way for you. You wanna know that now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, and the rest more than you know. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know that now how much I love you. Forever change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road is not so easy, I love you the way. Just like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change. Just I'm ready to come with me and share. I have you seen forever to hold me back, touch me now. I don't wanna be without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know that now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, and the rest is more than you know. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know that now how much I love you. Forever change change my whole life for you, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Change my love for you. You won't know how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I never ask for more of your love. You won't know how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I never ask for more of your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't know how much I love you. Wanna change my whole life for you, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. So, walang tama. Alright, for my next song, actually, is one of my favorite songs. And I want to share this beautiful song to you. Or something like touch me something that you won't know to say. You've been right to everything I do. Just to say even one touch I can't let go. Every thought I forget with you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. Sometimes I get lonely, and all I wanna do is think of you. You capture something inside of me. You make all my dreams come true. It's nothing but that you love me for me. You reach inside and touch me eternally. I love you, let's explain how I feel for you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. The magic in your eyes, true love I can't deny. When you hold me, I just lose control. I want you to know that I'll never let you go. You mean so much to me, I won't do it to see. It's because of you. Because of you, my life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I tell the world it's because of you. My life has changed. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, si Russell Says. Nakabili na ba lahat ng mga condos natin dyan? Siguro kahit di man lang kaya. Siguro kahit di man lang
Dalawang kondo ko. Hindi mo madadagdaw kayong pera mo.
Alright, for the next song, para ng Skyline naman. He loves it. When I just want to get you there are times when I just want to in the morning. I just can't believe when you Robinsons again for having us here tonight. And also to Sir Secretary and to Jack at the Tubig. Siyempre po sa inyo lahat ngayon. Sana bigyan nyo kayo ng offers. Kahit di meron guys. Wala kami na. Ano pa naman nabibili? Alright, this is our last song for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy it tonight. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Congratulations to the homeowners and viewers na nakabili. Salamat. Hindi pa naka-invest, pero gusto kayo guys. Thank you so much for being there.